It's really human hair?
Mm-hmm. I'm back with another vlog, and I just took out my little roller sets, my little foam rollers, and I'm about to go out and run some errands, go to the mall. I'm really only going to Zara, and I need to find some leather shorts because I have to take a promo picture today before I take out this hair. I'm going out of town later this week. I'm going to Mississippi to see my family, so I'm gonna be there for like a couple days, and I just don't want to wear this hair because I'm gonna have to keep curling it and stuff. So I'm gonna put in some 30-inch curly, you know, just I could just wet it, you know, just want. But yeah, right now I'm just getting ready to go. I haven't ate nothing all morning, and I'm craving a Cobb salad from Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A is right up the street from my house. I think that's what I'm going to get. I think tomorrow I'm probably gonna do, yeah, because I need that curly hair. And so tomorrow I'm probably going to do my little clothing haul with like a whole bunch of jackets. And if you already don't follow my page where I like sell clothes and wigs and stuff, it's shop Jaelyn Dae. I just posted some things this morning and sold a couple things. I'm gonna show y'all the jackets I'm wearing for another video, and I'm probably gonna put some of those on my page as well. So make sure you follow that page because I just be dropping stuff whenever I feel like it. And I've been going through my closet, putting some more stuff on there. So yeah, y'all just gotta turn the notifications on and watch, cause I just be dropping y'all. I was gonna do my makeup, but I'm just gonna wait till later because I gotta take my own pictures later. Well, I'm gonna try to, but I probably am. I don't know what I'm doing this week really. I just got stuff to do, get prepared for it, and I'm taking my dog with me. Oh yeah, that's what I was supposed to tell y'all. Some of y'all already know I love me some bulky shoes. I don't know if it's because I'm short and they make me taller, like I don't know, but I just love bulky shoes and like bulky purses. I just like weird stuff. Like when stuff look weird, I like that stuff the most. The shoes that I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done, y'all probably already seen them online and stuff. I just started seeing them out of nowhere, and I'm like, these are so cute. I had to put the notifications on to set a reminder for when they'll be back in stock. So I did, and 2 days later they sent me a notification. I honestly didn't think they would be in stock again that fast, but I was like, let me go ahead and get them because this might not happen again. So I went ahead and got them. I'll be leaving these two up because they don't come out like the rest, so sometimes I have to redo them with the actual curling iron because they just don't do like the other ones. But these curls really be tight. Like they need to fall. I don't think I'm gonna wear no lashes because I don't have time for that on my eye. Mascara. And I put on lashes later. I'm so ready to eat for Thanksgiving, y'all understand. I'm just gonna have a whole cheat week. I love this, y'all. It get dark early now, and I'm gonna be in the house and doing everything early today. I'm about to put on this ebony wood, y'all. I fell into the trap. I just be seeing it everywhere. So it has a super cute bottle. I kind of got mine dirty already right here. But yeah. And I want to try the candle because this really do smell good. I just know the candle to this gonna smell real good. This is from Zara if you don't know. The ebony wood. I opened them a little bit already, y'all, because I had to take a sneak peek. It comes with this little brochure. I'm just open. And the box is so freaking cute, y'all. Look at the box. It has a little dust bag right here. And then just open. And y'all, look at this shoe. Look at this shoe. I just love the laces. Like I had to get these, y'all, because I love me a bulky shoe. This is the perfect bulky. Like, oh my God. They also have like a black pair and like a turquoise type of blue, I think, and a pink pair. I definitely want the pink pair. If you think this is ugly, you sleep.
Just one moment on your food.
Okay, y'all, let's go find us a parking spot where it's not a lot of people. Cause I need to eat my food secretly. What? Hold on. I'm in the garage right now, about to take my pictures. I'm gonna try to take them here. I don't know how they gonna look. I might have to go to this other garage if I don't like this one. This is what the skirt looks like. I was looking for some leather shorts, but then I seen the skirt and I was like, okay, got my trap on or whatever. This is my girl right here. Oh y'all, and I had these glasses. Glasses are promo too, so I was like, let me just wear them together. I really want to play some music, but I'll be watching my surroundings because I don't be trusting no parking garages. I watch too many scary movies and kidnap movies, so I'll be, yeah. People usually don't just be walking around right here, but if a person was to start walking, I feel like they're gonna trick me, so I just be going ahead and head into my car and just take a little break because you're not gonna get me. Y'all, I hated those. Okay, I'ma just try to go to this other garage. I think these aren't just popping like they was when I had took them here before. They're just not giving. So I'm about to go to the next location. These pictures did not come out cute at all. Like, I think it's the hair. Like, the hair is cute, but I'm kind of tired of it. I don't know, y'all. It was either the hair or the skirt. I didn't really like the skirt that I picked out. Like, I don't know. I feel like the skirt don't go with the shirt like I thought it was. It's really just not it. Like, I look tacky. I didn't like any of my pictures, and I wasn't gonna stress myself. I really think it was the leather skirt that didn't go. When I had tried it on in the store, it was cool. I thought it was gonna look right, but it didn't. And I don't want to wear it with blue jean shorts again because I feel like I'm always wearing blue jean shorts. So I wanted to do something different, and it just wasn't working. I think the hair, it was just like too much green going on. It just wasn't cute in the pictures. So I woke up this morning and I did my hair. I had to film this install, so you'll probably see this tutorial already posted. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I need to film this Jersey She haul with these jackets over here. Y'all, I just threw them all over the place, but this will also be a video. Yeah, I'm about to do my makeup for that so I can film some more content, and then I'm going out for lunch, like a late lunch slash dinner with my friend in a couple hours. Right now it is 11:11. Y'all make a wish.
11:11, y'all. I quote motherfucking 11:11. I wish me and this together forever, like God, please. Ain't motherfucking in.
Okay.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay?
Finally going to eat. Oh, y'all can't really see, but it's okay. You know, y'all know I'm cute or whatever. Okay. Oh, I almost fell. We so hungry right now.
Oh, girl, yes.
It's 5:45. Look how dark it is, y'all. I'm ready to go to bed.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey.
Hey y'all, so low-key my camera been tripping. Like, I gotta figure out what happened to it, or is it maybe just the lighting? I don't know, y'all, but yeah, today is Thanksgiving. I couldn't even like vlog for y'all. Like, I got ready and I was eating all day. Like, I'm so full. I'm at my grandma's house right now in Mississippi. If y'all didn't know, I'm from Mississippi. My mom in the military, so we moved around all the time, whatever. We ain't gonna get into that, but I was originally born in Mississippi, so most of my family live here, and yeah, we having a little kickback right now. I just had another plate of food, and yeah, I'm trying to fix this camera because I feel like it's not supposed to look like this. And I need a slush, y'all. I'm always eating icy, and it's super cold out here. I don't even know why I'm getting icy, but I'm always spraying on, so whatever. I'm back home, and Kiara got me at the mall right now, and look what she doing.
Great. So look, we have a new straightener with no heat. It's not damaged, and no twice the hair. Look at this.
This is the people we supposed to say no to. Oh, that's fire!
spicy.
Like it?
Yes, I might come back for that.
No, wait.
You finna fly down her whole head.
What?
You finna do her whole head for the night?
Yes, I can do, but wait for that. Wait.
You gonna mess up her hair.
It stay like this for 3 days. Amiga.
Who you talking to?
Oh, what'd you say?
Amiga.
What'd you say?
What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? Mateo, tell me.
Oh, I like your hair, honey.
Thank you.
Oh
They better
my
not be
God.
trying to straighten my hair because it's curly.
Hi. It's human hair?
Y'all, I didn't even get anything from the mall. I'm going to a birthday celebration tonight and I still have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Like, y'all, I have no idea. You know when you just, well, one is because I started my, you know, my little lady thing a day or two ago, and I'm just not, I'm not feeling that thing. I just want to wear basically what I have on, some sweats and a hoodie. That's all I want to wear, but I know I can't do that. It's not that type of function, so I cannot be coming so casual. But y'all, I'm really like, ugh, I just feel, you know, so just bloated. I am doing vlogmas, but I think I'm gonna do weekly vlogs, like a weekly vlogmas. I just don't think I'm gonna be able to give y'all one every day. I just feel like if I do weekly vlogs, it'll have more content and then I'll be able to, you know, plan more things and do more things for y'all. I don't think that every day is for me. I really don't. Tomorrow I am starting Christmas shopping. I'm definitely gonna try to find a Christmas tree tomorrow and all of that, but that will be in another vlog, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.